recording? Oh yeah, it's recording. If you throw up, I'm gonna cry.
I back up. I've never done a contest.
Back up. He's eating worms.
You gotta go faster, man. You're gonna run out of time.
I don't think I have to.
I'm gonna have to get like and then like get sick and then finish.
That's why I've been doing this one.
Oh, just go, man. It's not that bad. You got the bad. Yeah, there you go. Just go down.
Can we crawl back up tonight?
Can you have a drink with it?
Oh, that is the drink, man.
Not even water?
Lydia wants to talk to you.
Dude, I recommend nacho cheese.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's on your face! It's on your face!
I mean, should have seen what I drank during track season.
Go shopping tomorrow.
Pit water, the pit where you plant your pole. That water would sit in there until the next season.
I'm recording.
The season until the next one. For what? For pole.
I got 4 minutes.
It was our initiation.
Yeah.
Take your cup full.
Dude, I should have said 5 minutes.
I drank like 6 cups.
Not.
Of it.
No. You can do it.
What they
Paul,
taste
if you were
like?
given the time limit, he was on his
What?
If you're gonna get sick, then don't watch.
I'm putting this on Facebook.
Yes, but if you're gonna get sick, don't watch.
You have a piece on your lip.
Can you snort one up your nose?
No!
That would be awesome.
No, I put hot sauce in the ears.
Come on, just one up the nose.
You want to double it?
Dude, I know.
200, I'd
You
say.
can do that.
Start it up.
It's down.
Insurance card numbers.
Oh yeah. It's not that bad. I mean,
He's gonna end up throwing up after.
how much time does he have? He has another 3 minutes.
It's on your lip. It's on your lip. Get it off your lip. Oh, it's almost done.